Namaskar, welcome you all to Department of New Media Technology at the new campus of Makhanlal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Communication, Bhopal. Any student who is interested in creating their career in multimedia, in graphics animation or in printing packaging, or someone who is interested in working in the social media platform in social media data analytics, New Media Technology Department is the right place. Here we do offer our programs that are majorly focused on the AVGC sector. 4-year B.Sc Multimedia, which is based on the National Education Policy 2020, a 3-year undergraduate program B.Sc in Graphics Animation, a 4-year B.Tech in Printing Packaging, which is an industry-oriented program where the lateral entry to the directly to the second-year B.Tech Printing Packaging for all diploma holders in printing or packaging is optionally available. And we do offer a postgraduate program, M.Sc in New Media. And like say, we do have MOU with the media and entertainment skills sector. The university has the MOU, so we can provide you better industry-oriented information, industry-oriented content. We can make the students ready to work immediately. So I welcome you all to join the university. The last date to file the online application is 31st May 2023. And for more information, please do visit our website mcu.ac.in. Thank you.